Welcome to TechSolve. Today I'll show you how to make colons in Google Docs. First, open your browser and search for docs.google.com. Once it is opened, now open your documents that you want to make colons in. Once the document page is opened, click on the Format tab in the menu bar. Then, you select colons. Here you can choose either a single colon, double colon or triple colon. You can also click on more options to customize the number of colons you want and the spacing. Once you're done, you click apply. Now let's try using a colon here. Now you can see that your documents have been divided into colons. So guys, that is how you make colons in Google Docs. That's all for the video. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more video tips. Bye guys, see you in the next video.